Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've fitted a StarLine i96 on a brand new Range Rover Sport Hybrid 2020. How the system works is every time you jump in a vehicle, turn on the ignition, don't put your foot on the brake and go through a push sequence, or alternatively you can pair it to your phone as a Bluetooth tag. So as soon as you turn on the ignition it will see the tag and you'll be able to start the vehicle. So we're going to basically show you pin code first of all. So main ignition on, push sequence, melody, there you go, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, you've got the facility that you can pair it with a phone. So if you download an app called StarLine Key, which I'll show you now. So this is the StarLine app. You pair it. So what we've done at the moment, we've got the Bluetooth off. I don't know if you can see there, Bluetooth is off. If we now turn the Bluetooth on, Bluetooth is on, StarLine i96 connected. So now what we generally do is turn the ignition on, wait for the bleep. There you go, start your vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. I hope you found this video helpful. My name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.